Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
It is a toast, it's a tribute to our geographical indication tagged heritage beverage Caju Feni, fermented and distilled naturally. A tradition that goes way back to 4.5 centuries. The museum also exhibits very rare and extravagant implements that reflects our culture, our heritage, our lifestyle and our artistic passions, as also the reflections of the past from the very creation of Goa, of the bygone era. And some of the exhibits and implements here are from the households to tell our future generation how precious these artifacts that depict our lifestyle are.
नंदन कुडतरकाराच्या ह्या म्युझियमात फेणयेच्या इतिहासाबरोबर संवसारभरातले इतिहासीक वायन ग्लासांचो संग्रह पळोवंक मेळटा. मोगल राजा ते प्रिन्स चार्ल्सान वापरिल्ले वायन ग्लास ह्या संग्रहालयाचे खाशेलेपण.
Curry patta, coca, lime juice, limca, and fenny. So please lift up the glasses and say cheers. And in 2 shots, enjoy. Cheers. Cheers. Love and you. Love will drink.
But this section has some of the rarest glasses anybody can ever see. The 4 pairs were actually given to Mr. Nandan Kudsarkar by his father, and from there he developed the passion of collecting all these glasses. This glass actually has, touched the lips of all the most of the Mughal emperors. So this glass is done specifically for wine tasters. Okay, it's a standard design. These glasses were actually given during Prince Charles and Lady Diana's wedding. Okay, they are very rare. They are very rare. These are the actual ones which were given to Mr. Kudsarkar all the way from England.
गोंयचे दायज दाखोवपी कितल्योश्योच गजाली ह्या म्युझियमात आसा.
We always heard about Goa as a place of beaches, as a place of beaches, but this is something beyond beaches.
It's not just like all fenny. It's like all the parts of culture. Kind of gives a glimpse into how the people worked, how they socialized. So
you cannot miss this place. If you're coming to Goa, come to this place.
प्रुडंटा खातीर महेश घाडी आणि ओमकार फळारी.